What's going on guys? Today we're going to be showing you things you should do right after installing your Nvidia driver. It's very useful if you want the most out of your shiny new graphics card. After finish doing what we are doing, you can expect a better visual appearance on your system interface and a better graphical performance in your games and graphics hungry programs. So let's get started. Step number 1, Nvidia control panel. I hope all you installed your Nvidia graphics drivers at this point, so right click on your desktop and choose Nvidia control panel. Once you're here, navigate to adjust image settings with preview under the 3D settings. Now choose use my preference emphasizing option and slide this into quality. I already recommend this if you're using a high-end Nvidia GPU, otherwise you can settle down to balance or even performance option. Now click on apply and that's all we can do here. Now navigate to manage 3D settings and from here we can do quite a lot. Move over to global settings and look for CUDA GPUs. Now double click on the option and make sure you have selected all your Nvidia cards if you are using multiple GPUs in SLI or NVLink. Now scroll down a little bit and find the option OpenGL rendering GPU and choose your Nvidia graphics card from here. For me it's a GTX 1060 6GB. Now under that you'll find the option power management mode, so switch that from optimal power to prefer maximum performance option. Now navigate to configure surround and physics tab and go to physics settings and choose physics processor as your graphics card. Now click on apply. Now head over to the display section and navigate to change resolution tab. From here you need to make sure that you have picked the maximum resolution that your monitor supports as well as the maximum refresh rate. For me it's 1920 by 1080 at 75Hz. Now we are moving to one of the best parts. So scroll down and choose Nvidia color settings. Now check your desktop color depth, output color depth and make sure you have chosen the highest numbers possible. Now go to output color format and make sure you have RGB selected there. Then go to output dynamic range and you will see it's limited. So switch that into full range option and click on apply. Now your display will flash for a moment and you will start noticing the difference in your monitor. Everything will look a lot better and vibrant, and of course we couldn't capture that on the video, but I assume your eyes will definitely pick up the difference. Now navigate to adjust desktop color settings and choose use Nvidia settings. Now come down here and change digital vibrance from 50 to 55. Even you can make that a 60, but I don't recommend. For this particular section you can play around with these settings and you can set them as you prefer. I don't recommend going too low or too high on any of these settings unless you really know what you're doing. Now click on apply. As far as my experience is concerned, this will give you a better and amazing change compared to the Nvidia default settings. Step number 2, GeForce experience. This step would be mainly helpful to gamers, but even if you're not one, it still got something good for you as well. GeForce Experience is a utility that you can download from the Nvidia's official website. Link will be in the video description. And I'm not showing the download and installing procedure because it's too simple, like anyone can do it. As well as it will add some additional minutes to the video. Once you install the GeForce Experience utility, you can access it from the taskbar hidden icons section. Just go to hidden icons, now navigate to Nvidia settings and right click on it. Now choose Nvidia GeForce Experience option. Once you're here, go to the more option and choose scan for games. Now we'll scan and find all the games available on your computer. The reason why you have to add the games in GeForce Experience is because you can automatically optimize your games individually or all of them at once for better performance. Before we're talking more about optimization, let me show you how to optimize a single game as a demonstration. Click on the game that you wish to optimize. Now click on the optimize button. It's that simple. Now the game settings will be optimized according to your particular system specification, which will result in a better gaming experience. GeForce Experience can do this because it's already scanned your system information, so it knows which settings are better for your games on your particular hardware. It will eliminate that hassle of manually tuning each and every games that you installed on your computer. Now let me show you how to do this optimization to all your games at once. Go back to GeForce Experience homepage and click on More option. Now click on Optimize all games. By doing this, all your games will be set to perform at its best on your particular hardware. Now let's talk about the second feature. If you go to the drivers tab, it will always shows you the latest driver available for your particular card. So you can download and install the latest Nvidia drivers just using the GeForce Experience itself. so you don't have to manually check the Nvidia's website for newer driver updates. Even it will notify you once a newer driver released for your particular card. As we only talk about the important stuff, we are finishing the GeForce Experience tour here. There are a ton of things you can do with the GeForce Experience utility if you're a gamer. Like you can capture your gameplay, capture your best moments using Nvidia highlights, take amazing in-game photos using Nvidia Ansel, record and broadcast using gameplay at the same time, and more. Just to name a few, play around with the utility and you will know what it's capable of. So that's the best thing you should do right after installing your Nvidia driver. Leave a like if you like, subs if you loved. See you soon with another one. Have a nice day.